In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog section in Lovable AI. So for this, you just need to make sure to start a project first. Head back right here into your Lovable dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. And once we're in there, we can see right here the actual dashboard. So as you can see, we also have in here the chat option. Now click onto this chat and then I will give you in here a sample prompt of creating a blog section. Let's input, I want to build a personal blog with a homepage, post, and an about page. So I have inputted it right here. You can also input right here what the blog is about. Let's input personal travel blog. Now send that to Lovable. And then after that, this will spend some seconds or minutes creating this particular Lovable site. This will generate the pages such as the core pages that we have mentioned earlier. And for this, it will also add right here, and you can use AI prompts within the generated editor to write the post or use external AI tools to generate content. You can also customize the buttons to change layouts, colors, fonts, and spacing with AI prompts. You can use visual edits right here to change what has been added so far. So in this case, just wait for this to be created. And once it's done, you can proceed to click on this publish option in order to publish the blog that you have created. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.